Hi all, welcome to Electro Valley. This is Sam. Today I'm going to do unboxing of a budget printer available in the market. I don't think any other printer available in the market in this price range. So here we are going to unbox HP DeskJet 1112 Inkjet printer. Without any delay, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the printer which we're going to do unboxing, DeskJet 1112 everyday printing. If you are using for your home purpose, this will be okay, I guess. I don't think there are a huge number of prints you can get it from this. There is no much packing. This is the packing which I got, and this is what they written on that. Thank you for joining our effort to protect the environment. So they protected the environment by not packing my product. Anyway, I did something good, I guess. So here we have some instructions. It's about cartridges, which is replacement cartridge, which is inside the box. And here we have some system requirements, your hardware and software requirements to connect this printer to your laptop or desktop. And we have this end, we have some MRP. You can see 3,185 rupees, but I got it in 1,999. So it's a very good deal which is running now. I don't see any other printer which is in this price range, and the brand like HP is providing. So I'm happy with that. Let's see what is inside. Let's open this real quick and see what we got inside. What are the content is there inside? These are the contents we got. See, two cartridges. One is color and one is black. So we have tricolor cartridge one and another with black. So we'll keep it aside this and we'll see what else we have. And here is the cable. We have a D-type cable. You can see that. Okay, this we will be attaching with the printer, and this is the USB part which goes to your laptop or desktop. Okay, and here we have the power cable. So this part goes to the printer and other one goes to your plug point. So that everybody knows, but still I will introduce this. Now that's it. This is some instruction about cartridge. Okay, we'll keep it aside this also. And let's take it out. Here we have some manuals. I'll keep it outside. See, we don't have anything else other than this. You can see the box. I'll keep it aside. Now these are the manuals we have. Let's see, this is the one which we have most useful. These are the instructions, what and all we have to do with cartridges, how to install the cartridges, and what are the power cables and how to operate it. Okay, so this is the instructions which you can follow. So I will show you how to install the cartridges and installation to the system too. So here is the URL they are given. the site address, which is 123.hp.com/dj1110. so if you type that, you will get a driver application. You can install that. Once you install the application, you can take a print on it. Okay, its build quality is very good. I could see its build is very good and very nice. I am impressed. There is no cheap plastic, or it's a best one they provided. Let's open this cover, which is wrapped on it. Okay, here it is. So this is the paper holder, so where you can insert the paper to the printer, and it will give a rest in the back. And this is the knob which we can adjust according to which paper you are going to insert. If it is A4 size, then you will adjust according to that. If it is envelope, you will adjust according to that. And here this is the printer cartridges we are going to place. So we'll remove these things. Now this is the platform where the prints come and land on. Now I'll remove all these things, and let's insert the cartridges. See, these are the protection which is given to the mechanism. This is the place where we're going to insert our cartridges over there. There is an instruction given in the panel. So we will place the cartridges there. Both the cartridges we have to place over there. So let's have a look. Here we have, you can see the power port here. So here we're going to connect the power cord, which I already shown. So we'll connect this one to here, and the other end will connect it to the plug point. And we have one more port, which is a D-type port, which we use D-type connector for connecting that to the printer, and the other end we will connect it to the USB end, will connect it to the computer or laptop. And here we have one power button. That's the only control we have outside, and it's pretty enough for the purpose. And this is what we got in the box. So these are the total content we can see here. Okay, so now we're going to install the cartridges. Let's install the cartridges real quick. I will open this all. This is the tricolor cartridge, you can see that. Okay, so this will help you to print the color. And this is the part which is protected. So let's open the black cartridge. Yes, this is the black cartridge. When you select black and white and print, this will be the cartridge which used. So HP has printed on that. There is a protection for this. So let's install these cartridges now. So before getting into the cartridge, we will arrange the cartridge holder here. You can see there it's printed here. A little close up there. You can see the color cartridge, which side it's supposed to be, and other one where should be placed. So we have to keep the cartridge holder according to that. So and place your cartridge according to the mark which is done there. So I will remove this protection. Now I'm going to place this cartridge. Okay, so this just press it and a little bit upwards. If you press it, there will be a sound which acknowledges that it's already placed on the proper way. So now I place this one the same way. Just press. So you have to use a little more pressure over there. With one hand I have a little difficulty to hold it. Now you can see that it's properly placed. So we can close the lid on it. Yes, that's it. This is the way we can place the cartridge also. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this video is informative to you. If you like the video, please like and share. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button for your new notification of the videos. In case you want to buy the printer, I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you.